have a small, really pretty Christmas journal. The cover is made from an envelope, and I covered it in vintage music paper. And then I printed one of the pages from the kit onto fabric and then sewed that on top. And I think that turned out really nice. I added closures, fabric closures here with coffee dyed linen. And an eyelet holds the sari silk tie. And here on the front is a frame with some sequins. This is covered with acetate, and then there's some sequins inside the frame. So it's very blingy. Okay, on the inside cover, we have a tuck here with a little scrappy pad. And in the back, there's a little pocket that holds some tickets. And then I've added some bluish type tinsel here on the edge of the pocket, and on this pocket too. And in this pocket we have a really big tag with some lined paper on the back. Okay. There's a doily attached here. And then just a little cluster with some cheesecloth and vintage book page, a ticket, and a label. Here we have a little pocket at the very top of the page. This is a hidden paper clip and a little bling attached there. And then these are just tucked in to the little pocket. And here we have 3 tags. Some lace on the pocket here with some bling. And this is the other side of that paper clip. Same thing, a little pocket with these. Another little cluster. Here's a pocket. We have a coffee dyed guest check. And 2 tags. I have a belly band here with some coffee dyed cheesecloth held down with some strands of bling. Here's another little notepad. And the belly band is made out of tickets. Here's another little cluster on some vintage music paper, some vintage tape, some vellum paper, and then a tuck here with that tag. And then we have a little fold out there that you can write on. Vintage book page, and there's some little bling added there. And here's the center of the signature, and I made these little dangles. These are just cut from the papers, and then I used resin. Here's another one of those little paper clips with little tiny pockets. Some bling. And there's the other side with some more stuff. I think these are so cute. Okay. Here's a tiny little envelope. Here's a tuck here with all kind of goodies inside. There's that one. This one. I may or may not make a kit out of this paper. I'm not sure at this point. Tuck these in that way. There's a little lacy flip. Okay. And if you really like, I know a lot of people may not think of this as Christmassy, but I love it. It's kind of grungy and dark and really pretty. I love it. So if you're possibly interested in a kit with using these papers, just let me know in the comments below. Here's a belly band. You can tuck something in. And then there's the back cover. So this is a smallish journal. And it will be available in my Etsy shop. But I love it. I hope you do too. And if you have any questions about anything, just let me know in the comments below. And I thank you for joining me today. Have a blessed day. Bye.